Good morning. We have another video about the small house lizards which all got captured in a metal cup. They succeed to climb inside, but once the feet touch the bottom of this cup, which is having rests of tea, especially kind of milk tea in it, they are unable to exit the recipient. So now I just make that video because I will release them again right in the house where they are so useful, but we have a chance to make close-ups of the small geckos, and in this way I'm adding some more gecko videos to my channel. So if you have to capture geckos, this is the way to do it, but I hope you will also release them such as this, which I will release now. Okay guys, it's time to go. I will have to wash my stuff more frequently to avoid that these geckos have the displeasure to be hosts of this cup for usually a night. So he's going. See, time to go, my dear. They're really friendly animals. They're not very scared. They are usually chasing small insects. Now they're somehow frustrated. Hello, my dears. I want to wash that cup. It looks really ugly. I may leave that. Oh, he's gone. One is gone. They are actually jumping. They're able to jump far. Okay, come. Now I don't want to miss the exit of this one. I could just leave the cup in the horizontal position, and they will slowly find their way out anytime. But now I wanted this to be visible on this video. So, come. Okay, then we make some close-ups. Can't believe it, huh? Where are your friends gone? They already left. Come, we'll wash that cup now. Oh, still not leaving. So they have a personality. You can see that some are really quickly understanding that it's time for them to leave this place. But this one seems to be satisfied. Maybe he still wants to eat a little bit of that milky sauce down there. Maybe he thinks that there will be some insect coming. Maybe if I blow some air. No reaction. So when I come closer to the cup, I'm reminded that there is a smell of vanilla ice cream, which I mixed with the Ceylon tea. And I have not noticed before that just tea will produce this magnetic attraction to the small gecko lizards. So the mix of vanilla ice cream with Ceylon tea, maybe tea in general, is what makes the difference. The small geckos are attracted probably by the smell of the remaining vanilla flavor in this metal cup. And you saw there were 3 of them, and yesterday there were 2, which makes 5 in less than 48 hours. Okay, this one doesn't want to go. We'll let him use this place as long as he likes, and then it's going to be washed later.